welcome to the Parrot Stories. Now available in 30 plus international languages along with English subtitles. A fun way to learn new language.
Good morning, students. It's school time. Come on in. We are going to learn maths class today. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, students. Sonu, show me your homework. Oops, Sonu didn't finish the homework. Now what to do? Teacher asked reasons of not finishing homework. Sonu said, whole day long, I was very busy, teacher. Sonu started giving excuses. At 1 o'clock my mom made a tasty cake and I had to finish it all by myself. At 2 o'clock I was about to study but telephone rang. It was my grandmother's call, so I had to pick up the call. She kept talking to me for 1 hour straight, so I could not finish the homework. Then what about 3 o'clock? Sonu, why didn't you finish the homework at 3:00 o'clock? Teacher, at 3 o'clock, my mother lost her hairpin. She was very sad, so to make her happy again I kept searching whole house for her hairpin. And finally found it under the table. It made my mother very happy. But due to this searching I couldn't finish the homework. Then what happened at 4 o'clock? Teacher asked. Miss, at 4 o'clock I was very hungry. I tried to reach for the snack and damp sweets on the shelf, but box of sweets fell down and all the sweets were ruined. Mother punished me very hard, and I kept crying whole hour long. Then what about 5 o'clock? Teacher asked. In order to cheer me up, my sister presented her beautiful dance. Me and my whole family together enjoyed her performance. Dance performance went on for 1 hour straight, so I couldn't finish my homework. Now it was already 6 o'clock. It was the evening tea time. Mom made a tasty tea and she called me to have some. I could not refuse the tea. Tea session took hour long, and so I could not finish my homework. Sorry, teacher. Then what about 7 o'clock? Sonu, why didn't you finish the homework at 7 o'clock? Sonu, teacher asked. Sonu replied, Teacher, I was very hungry by now. Mom called me for dinner. It was so tasty that I ate and eat. I lost the sense of time and it was already. Meanwhile, my brother accidentally broke a pot. Oh, it was such a mess I had to clean it up, otherwise my mother would have beaten up my brother. So in order to help my brother clean this mess, I could not finish the homework, teacher. Then why didn't you finish the homework at 9 o'clock? Teacher asked. Teacher, at 9 o'clock. Like a good, responsible student, I sat for the homework. Exactly at that time, my cat ran away. Now it was my duty to search for the cat. It took me whole hour long to search for my cat. That is why I couldn't finish the homework, teacher. By this time it was already 10 o'clock and father came home. Now he was so tired with all the office work, and it is duty of a good child look after his busy parent. Am I right, teacher? So I couldn't finish the homework. Sorry, teacher. After attending father, it was already 11 o'clock and I was very tired by now. I haven't finished my homework. I tried doing my homework, but I was so tired by now I could not finish the homework, teacher. I took my homework to the bed, but then my mother came angrily. She said, go to bed now. This is not the time to keep lights on. And switched off the light. How could I disobey my mother, so I slept quickly and dreamed whole night long. I tried a lot. I was busy whole day long. I couldn't finish the homework, teacher. Sorry, teacher, and very sorry. By now, teacher understood all the excuses Sonu was making and his mischief. She became very angry and punished Sonu. That's why always finish your homework on time.
this video entertaining, like, share. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.